Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you monthly horoscope for 2020. This particular monthly forecast has no relevance with Western astrology or sun prediction because my whole predictions are based on your moon sign. My whole predictions are based on Vedic Indian astrology. On today's video, here are the reminder of what I'll be discussing on your monthly horoscope, the monthly forecast. I'll be talking about your health. I'll be talking about your education. I'll be discussing about your romantic life, your relationship life. I'll be informing you regarding your career, job, or profession, as well as your monthly conclusion. To skip to a particular part of this video, I have placed timestamps for each of these subjects in this video description below. So here are the monthly forecast for all of you, and please don't forget afterward to like this video, subscribe and click that bell to get the notification of your latest weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope plus your major 4 transit planetary horoscopes. Here are on my channels. To have the full version of this video, which include the transit, all the transits, your tasks, your precautions, the chanting for this month, please do visit our website prakashastrologer.com. Taurus health for month of June. In this coming month, June, you will be interested in a lot of dieting, exercising, health. Sleep can be disturbed in the month of June, and sometimes too much irritation can lead to a bad health. If you frequently become aggravated and nagging all the time, that will trigger your health in a negative way. Do not invest too much negative emotion in yourself, please. And sometimes your digestive system, sometimes your blood pressure, sometimes negative emotions can trigger your back problem or something to do with skin, or too much negative emotions, if you're a female, can create a problem with your reproductive organs. And you have to be very careful regarding your driving, please. Taurus education in the month of June. Your education will benefit from the clarity of expression and overall skill in speech and writing. You're endowed with higher learning, wisdom, good morals. You'll go in higher studies and succeed. You'll have a high interest in learning and places of learning such as universities. And you'll be interested in starting new project regarding your study or education. You are very sincere towards your education, and you'll take a very good advice. And education will open a new opportunities, no doubt about it, regarding profession or career or financial backing. Being quite logical, you might be good at mathematics, IT, and there will be study of various concepts. You study technical knowledge or technical subject and try to understand the highest principle. And you're interested in study of science, applied science, designing, commerce, numbers, mathematics, IT. You actually choose to educate yourself in an artistic field or some field that closely fits your self-motivating styles. Romance or relationship. Taurus, month of June for romance or relationship. Romantic relationship are testy. You have more than one important romances in this particular phase. You tend to involve in passionate relationship. Relationship and matrimonial relationship are important issues in your life. But relationship can be more than one in front of you, especially if you're a single person. You show your love to your romantic partner by controlling the partner. You encourage by controlling your partner will not work in the long run. And you got to make sure that instead of controlling, communicate with your partner and encourage your partner. That's the best way. Build up the confidence in you. And I understand that you would like to take charge personally, everything at home, and try to manage your partner's affair wherever is possible. Sometimes it's not a good idea. You give them freedom, you enjoy your freedom. And you like to be very close because you're very expressive in your emotions. You try to play a very unique role in your partner's life. I understand that. But sometimes in relationship, especially if you're in a long-term relationship, financial strain can cause a problem. But enthusiastic support from you to your partner will be fine. The progress of your career is quite important issue in your relationship, because your partner will look at your career enhancement as their confidence. Taurus, job, profession, career in the month of June. You see your highest aspiration and ambition fulfilled in the month of June. You're hardworking and you have to travel long distances to complete your project regarding your career. You can harness your intelligence to work for your employers and you can achieve any ambitious goal. You're very practical, energetic and courageous in efforts to succeed in your career or business. You may have to work long hours. You may be engaged in competitive undertaking where other people are working with you. You have a very unique gift for teaching, publishing, or for law, for presenting. It's likely that some elderly people will help you in your career. You're likely to be involved in some service profession. You may have some tedious aspect to your work. It's likely your work may lead you to foreign lands. You're worldly wise. You can be very speculative, have a keen business sense. You have a marketable skills, thus do not have to worry about your means of livelihood unduly. You're more likely to be employed than independent entrepreneur. You have to work harder and you may have to work under the authority of another for your income. That can be possible. But that's, may I say, go with the flow, please. Taurus monthly conclusion for month of June 2020. The monthly conclusion for Taurus for June 2020. In this coming month, June 2020, you'll achieve name, fame, establishment in all the fields and you'll be independently attaining a position of authority as longer you are. Taurus become highly active, creative, dynamic. Taurus, you'll become prone to anxiety due to personal reasons. Sometimes you like to share the reasons, sometimes you don't. You'll acquire wealth and luxuries. You'll easily attain land and property and assets. You'll acquire luxuries and lifestyle and valuable items and jewelry. You'll earn money through business partnerships or ventures. By giving money on interest or many other ways, you can achieve a lot of money. You'll gain money through luxuries and lifestyle and recognition from state. You'll have all types of comforts and happiness. You'll be blessed with rise in status, prestige and honor. Taurus, in this month of June, you'll be successful at assessing others. You'll be successful at politics. You'll be victorious and you'll be counted among the respectable people in society. You'll be valiant and brave as a lion and you'll be satisfied, benevolent, enthusiastic and valiant as somebody who's have authority. You'll be enterprising and victorious and patient and in service of great people if you're working for somebody. You'll be quite economical and accumulative and you'll excel at knowledge and ability and skill set, at business and profession, career, education. Your working capacity is fast and sharp. You'll be outstanding as an artist, as a designer, as a doctor, as a lawyer, as a barrister or in profession. Business class people prosperous in this combination. Professors, principals, directors, officials get the good rising. You'll gain from legal work, the work of clerk and legal clerk especially. Religious issues will be resolved and sorted. Vedanta, and from a lot of people learn from Vedantas, and there will be lots of running around and going through lots of changes in professional circumstances, situations, scenarios. There will be lots of running around and lots of struggleful situations and hassle. There will be lots of traveling, running around and need to be do the needful. Financial gain, achievements, rewards, prosperity will be there. Lots of your stale project will be on track. Your past efforts will be rewarded. There will be rise in luxuries, achievements regarding wealth and comfort. You'll be enjoying meeting family members and friends. There'll be lots of running around, and sometimes you'll be out of comfort zone. There'll be a few happy occasions in the family. Your expenditure can be rising all over the place. Professionally, there will be lots of running around, but most of your efforts will be rewarded. Do watch your drive and step. Refrain from any living conflict and arguments in your marriage relationship. Please make sure you don't offend anybody's pride, honor, and ego verbally. Beware of any fine, penalty, punishment, especially after 13th of June. You'll be well respected and victorious and will enhance the family name. You'll be prosperous in business, profession, and satisfied with as much you can achieve. You'll be involved in some sort of a scandalous deeds, and you have to be very, very careful. This particular time period, may I say that you earn interest on business and profit, and you'll give shelter to a lot of people, and you enjoy thoroughly to supporting people. But may I say, this particular time period, you have to look after your health and well-being, and do watch your action and conduct and dealing. And sometimes your intentions are good, but sometimes other people's reactions may not be that the way you're expecting. You may go in some sort of a independent business ventures or some sort of industry, and this particular time period you have to be very careful about your conduct and actions and decision-making choices. Your progress in independent business it will be outstanding, but refrain from any kind of official conflict with authorities. You're a very creative, active person, and this month will be dignified for you regarding creativity, activity, achievements, and presenting your, may I say, outstanding performance. You'll be comfortable and endowed with favor from decision maker, and this particular month you'll attain honor. If you're a poet, if you're an actor or performing artist, you'll achieve fame. But this particular time period, look after your health, especially be aware of any septic infection or broken limb, or infection with your kidneys. You may have some sort of issues. There may be some obstacles in recovering your money from other people. Professionally, a good period could be expected. As long as you are alert, you're determined, you're disciplined, you'll be able to finish off the work given to you successfully on time. Happiness at home is also maintained. You could expect meeting someone very interesting during this particular period. And some of you also expecting spend some passionate time with someone they love. Possibility of gain from this person as well. Financially, this could be a good timing. The success in your undertaking will be gainful for you. You may expect monetary gain as well. This particular period bring rise in status, prestige, and honor. You're likely to be honored and command more respect in society. Your personal undertaking and business investment are likely to bring higher financial rewards, more profits. If you're professional or employed, you're likely to be more successful during this particular period. But with the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your moon, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, for the prevention of any kind of professional losses or financial losses or bad debts or decline in flow of income. And with the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out your planets for the best. Task for Taurus for the month of June. Please bury 900 gram black salt in the ground on Saturday morning, early morning. Do bury 7 blue flowers in the ground on Friday evening, every Friday evening. Do keep 2 solid silver balls in your pocket, and do wear fine gold studs in your ears. Do wear a perfume do wear a perfume and as a fragrance. Do flow 5 kilogram rice in the fast flowing river. 5 kilogram rice in the fast flowing river, please. Taurus precaution for this particular month of June. Refrain from keeping any out of order electronic goods. Refrain from keeping any out of order wristwatches or alarm clocks in your possession. Refrain from buying any electronic goods. Refrain from buying any steel appliances. Taurus chanting for the month. Eng bhaur bhave swahe. Eng tat savitur varneyam. Eng bhargo devasya dhimahi. Eng dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Eng. More you do it, more you achieve it. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing. Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.